How to create an email template inside of AOL Mail. Welcome back to a new guide video on how Genic. If you're having to send constant emails and a similar kind of emails to many people, you would want to create a template so that it is easier for you. But unfortunately, inside of AOL Mail, there is no separate section where you can create a template. But however, I'm going to show you a workaround that works just as great. So what you can do is compose a email first of all, add in everything that you need, the body of the email, the subject, and the person that you're sending to as well. Once you add in everything that you need, you can now click on save. This way, this email will be saved as a draft. So if you head over to the draft section, you can exactly see the email that you just created. Now, whenever you have to send emails, you can just head over to the draft section like this. And then instead of writing it all over again, make some changes to this particular draft and then hit send. This is not exactly a template, but could work out in case you need to send one. So this is the exact way that you can create a sort of template inside of AOL Mail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.